This is our portable air conditioner, and in this video we will show you how we set it up so that we can quickly roll it in and out easily and safely. Looking at the unit from the top down, you will see the rear air intakes, the exhaust, the water line, and the power cable. The security grate is on the right hand side and remains locked while the unit is in operation. Behind the unit, you will see the plastic panel that is originally included with the kit. Here's what it looks like from the outside. Notice that there is a space between the gate and the sliding door. To bridge the space, we have constructed this wooden rectangular conduit. And the final piece is a wooden panel. The hole in the panel lines up with the exhaust conduit. And there is a little hole for the water drain line. And now we just close the door. Now reconnecting the condensate drain line. Here's what the installation looks like from the inside. And this is what the installation looks like on the outside. And you can cut the water line to whatever length you require. And that's the whole setup. Venting these air conditioners through a sliding window is quite common in America. But here in South Africa, we have to contend with security gates. We wanted to contribute to the community on how we overcome this challenge. And if anybody is looking for more information with regard to what materials or dimensions were used, you can mention it in the comments and I'll happily do a follow-up video.